This is gonna blow your mind. Penguins living in huge, bustling communities. Ready to learn more? Penguins live in enormous groups called rookeries. Imagine thousands of penguins all huddled together, taking care of their young and socializing. These rookeries can be found in some of the harshest climates on Earth, yet they thrive together through teamwork and companionship. In these colonies, penguins engage in all sorts of fascinating behaviors, like synchronized swimming, playful chases, and even group huddles to stay warm. Each penguin has its own unique call, so they can always find their mate or chick among the crowd. Isn't that incredible? If you're amazed by these social birds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow nature lovers. Keep exploring the wild wonders of our planet.